Hey everybody, it's Erica and I have a large set of packages from AliExpress that are all full of Sashiko patterns. So let us see what hell I have wrought by ordering a lot of patterns on the internet. Well, they're not patterns, they're stencils. But I ordered a bunch. Let's see how they look, because they're much cheaper than ordering them from anywhere else. And I always have good luck with this seller on AliExpress. So let's see how it went. Okay, I flipped this over so you can't see my address, which I hadn't done before. Ooh, this is not from AliExpress. This is, but this looks like it is from Canada. It's my new Sashiko thread from a threaded needle. They have a beautiful website with really, really cool Sashiko interest, like just everything Sashiko, Kogan, everything. They have everything for any kind of Japanese style embroidery. Thank you. Enjoy your projects. From Heather. Must have packed our order. That's so nice. And there's some cute little handmade tags that you can attach to your work. And then let's see the fibers I got and turn over this for my address again. Okay. Ooh, look how murky these are. Okay, so these are Kogan Sashiko thread. They are much, much more shiny and fluffy than the harder, stiffer Sashiko thread, which I think is going to look so cool with my leaf prints. These ones in particular, because it looks exactly the color of my leaf prints. These, I'm replacing the ones that I used out of my entire set already, because look, very similar color. Used all of that one. These are the Kogan Sashiko thread. You can still use this for Sashiko, not Kogan style Sashiko, but that's what it's meant for. And it has a little more shine to it apparently. This is the same, more Kogan thread. And this is just some really good, really pretty variegateds to do patterns with. So that's awesome. And then this is Daruma thread that's been prepared for dye. So I can dye my own Sashiko thread now with stuff. So we can do that, and we'll do that another day, and then we'll have something we dyed ourselves, made leaf prints with, and dyed our own Sashiko thread, and that will be so fun. Then it will be like we made the whole thing, like it's the olden times, except I don't have a spinning thing, and I'm not going to spin cotton thread. Anyway, all right, let's see what's in our AliExpress pattern box here. Hopefully they didn't get all bent. It feels like there's a piece of cardboard in here, multiple pieces. My address is on everything. Just please don't come kill me at my house. Thank you. I would appreciate it. I didn't consider how many times my address would be on this. Okay, so here's one of the larger Sashiko patterns. I believe this should be, hopefully it's the tree ring one, because that one looks so cool. Ooh, trash. Come on, trash. Oh yeah, it's the tree rings. So cool. Okay, this is a little bit squirrely packed. I will probably like use a hair dryer on it or something and smush it under something heavy so that we can bring it back to fully flat. Let's see, it looks like it's taped down here. Where else are you taped? Okay. Nope, you're taped over here too. Lied. I don't want to cut my pattern. Okay. And we have, come on little buddy. Ooh, look how cool. This is so you can do like full table runners that look like tree rings. I love it. How cool is that one? Love it, love it. Okay, flipping these over so you don't see my address again, because I can't win. Okay, this feels like soft patterns like this, which is I consider soft. These feel like hard plastic. Let's see what we got. We have, ooh, it's my shapes, my tracing shapes. So these, it was like $14 for the whole set. I think these are for quilters, but we can use them for whatever we want. No one's making the laws here but us. But look at all these. And they have a seam allowance on them in case you were sewing. My God, who would sew a quilt out of that? My grandma would have. My grandma would have because she was autistic and she loved shapes. I know exactly who would do that. She would have killed for these, by the way. Okay. Ooh, we have a... What is this one? Is it a rhombus? Yes, it's a rhombus. Because a rhombus isn't a square, but a square is technically a rhombus. Anyway, and then we have a pentagon. And we have these that are weird. Oh, that's so you could do like a diamond shape on a costume, maybe? I really just wanted the hexagons, but these are weird. I'm into it. But mostly I got them for the hexagons for making sashiko bits. Okay, so those were about $14 for that whole set. How these came first, I don't know. I ordered stuff forever ago. Anyway, well, that's neither here nor there. Those are great. And then let's see our last softy patterns. Cool. Okay, so these are larger, kind of more... Get out of here. No. Everybody get out. Okay, so these are more traditional, old sashiko shapes. My God, the plastic waste. These don't all need to be in an individual package, you guys. I'm going to have to reuse these for 100 years. So I think this is bamboo leaf, a maple leaf, I think, cherry blossom, some interlocking rings, a chrysanthemum, more interlocking rings. This is a snowflower, I think. That's just cool. I don't know what that is. And this is, I don't know, it looks like a plumeria, but I'm sure that's not what it is. Anyway, this was about $12 for all these little guys at once. This was about $14 for all of these at once, and you can peel the backing off so that they'll just be neon yellow and see-through, so you can see where your pattern is and fussy cut with it. And then this is our sashiko wood grain, which I'm obsessed with. Love that. And then, of course, we had our super cool stuff come from a threaded needle, which is right there. If you would like to get Sashiko supplies from them. It got here very quickly. I ordered it from Canada, and I'm in California less than maybe 10 days ago. So great job to them. And their shipping was extremely reasonable. Not sponsored, but their shipping was extremely reasonable. And I really am excited to try all this great stuff. Well, thank you for coming along on this short unboxing of stitching materials. And I hope to show you what I've done with them someday soon. I will see you in the next one. Patron shout out of the day to Emily Smith. Thank you so much for being a patron and supporting me unrelentingly in the Weaver Birds, our special online stitching group. I will see you in the next one. Bye!